In Bengaluru now, what is the new strategy? Remember, there has been a day-long emergency meet that the Chief Minister of Karnataka has been having through the day today. This is because Bengaluru is beginning to show cluster areas where there is a spike in cases. And this means that the lockdown is going to be brought back in these areas. Apart from that, Chief Minister also saying that the violators are going to be booked if they are violating quarantine rules. And more importantly, as a relief, the Chief Minister is saying that now private hospitals providing treatment for COVID-19 is going to have a cap, an upper limit. Let's get you details on some of these areas that have been identified. Bengaluru will be shut for 2 weeks amid a surge in COVID-19 cases, and this is going to be in the big market areas. This includes the KR market, apart from others. But right now, we have our correspondent there in KR market, Neha Hebale, getting us those details. Neha, this is going to mean a certain amount of difficulty for people. KR market is one of those areas that has been identified, the lockdown being brought back there for the coming 2 weeks.
Well, Seher, absolutely right. On one hand, you had Bengaluru, which was actually boasting of the lesser number of COVID-19 cases when compared to the other metro cities. But now, because of the steady rising number of cases, in the city as well, several measures have been put in place. Let's begin. We're at the KR market. I'd like to start by showing you, the reason, of course, we've gotten up on the flyover is to show you an expanse of where the areas will be locked down or sealed. This right here, what you're seeing are, in fact, vendors, the street vendors of the KR market. This is, in fact, the common market area junction where you have a bus stand, where you have the vendors, where you have, also, of course, going forward, you have some religious places as well. And even on this side, this main road that you can see is, in fact, the Avenue Road, a very popular road that, sees a footfall of thousands of people on a daily basis. So this will also, be completely locked down now. And even the market now, on the left, the neighboring market area as well, will be completely shut down. Now, while this is about the KR market and the Avenue Road, we're also looking at, areas like the Chickpet, Kalasipalya, and, other areas as well that have emerged as clusters because of a spike in the cases in these areas being completely shut down. Now, Seher, it's also important to remember that these areas were earlier closed or were earlier sealed down. This entire market area where operations had come to a complete standstill till about a week, 2 weeks ago. But since the unlock happened, we've seen these markets being opened up. Those barricades that, you can actually see are from the previous lockdown, are from the previous seal down. And now this will again be brought back in full force is what we're understanding. That the government has decided to, take precautionary measures in order to ensure that all these people you can see who are not maintaining any kind of social distancing, who are going on with, their daily usual activities, will in fact, now have to stay indoors. It's not just this area that you see, but even the surrounding areas, will in fact have to see a complete seal down starting Tuesday. Now, how effectively will this really be implemented on ground? That is what is going to be the decider for these clusters becoming non-clusters.
Okay. Yes, but Neha, that's an interesting point of view, literally, that you've got us there of the entire marketplace on how crowded it is right now. This is one of the cluster areas that has been identified. Tomorrow onwards, it's going to be entirely shut down. Many thanks for getting us those details, Neha. We are staying with inputs here coming in from Bengaluru because it's looking at a rise in cases. 2 stadiums and 1 ashram has now been identified as a makeshift hospital to accommodate the rise in numbers. So these are 2 stadiums, Kantirva Indoor Stadium and the Koramangala Indoor Stadium, along with the Sri Sri Ravi Shankar Ashram here as well. Our correspondent Srija is getting us more details. What is the addition in the number of beds in these areas that is going to help the city?
With the rise in number of cases in the state of Karnataka touching almost 9,150, we see the government has also come up with the contingency plan. Now, as a part of this particular strategy, the COVID-19 strategy, we also see where the government has also roped in the private hospitals. This is to increase the bed strength. We are right now at the Kantirva Stadium, which is the indoor stadium. Now, this is also the part of the COVID contingency plan, and it also talks about about how in the coming days, the preparations that we're going to look at is the indoor stadium over here will also be converted into a makeshift hospital. Apart from this, the health department has also identified 2 different locations, the other being the Koramangala Indoor Stadium and the third place being Sri 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 Ravi Shankar Ashram as well. Now, according to the health department, we understand the capacity of all these 3 put together, that is the 2 stadiums, can accommodate at least 600 of the patients. And as far as the ashram is concerned, it can accommodate nearly 1,000 of them, taking the total number of patients that it can accommodate is nearly 1,600. We should also remember that these makeshift hospitals have been made especially available for the next couple of days, coming days, especially for the asymptomatics. With video journalist Vinay, this is Shrija reporting for Mirror Now in Bengaluru.